Here we go. We're going to try and start this up. We're going to start off by using the OX tool. We're going to be making a project for a company event coming up. I have a group of techs. I'm going to make them a water bottle that's going to have our company logo with our division on it. We're going to be using the X tool rotator tool. We're going to be doing this on the X tool Creative Space software. As you can see with this, we've got our logo set. And if we look, one of the things down here is we're looking at the power rating. We're shooting the power rating on this one at 70. And we're going to do the speed of it at 80. And we are going to be engraving. And again, up here you're seeing we're using a laser cylindrical. Then the other text that we have here, we're going to have it set up 67 and 80. Do an engrave also and have that selected. They have some selections in there for individual material, which is great, and that helps you pick it out. But what we're going to try here is we've tested this on a couple other bottles. So we're going to start this process up. Just as a quick go over, here in the shop we're starting off with everyone's listed by name, and I'll take each one of these and start burning them. Let's start the process up. Alright, so one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to get, I'll shut off the light here so we can see it a little better. Getting their system set up on here. We've got the selection that we want to put on here. We're going to start our radial tool setup. It's in place. It's in the correct spot. We have it lined up, as we notice, using the grid here, making sure we've got everything lined up and locked in place like it should be. Now what we're wanting to do, first of all, get your tool set up using your depth gauge here. Right there, we've got it locked in, set at perfect height. It actually looks like going up just a fudge on there. Alright. So when we go into the process, as you've seen earlier, we're going to hit process, and we're going to enable this laser as we see here. And the laser spot, I find it better than the crosshairs because it gives you a more exact spot. And as you can see, you're wanting to get it set and lined up where you got in the center on this. And then we want to do the framing. What the framing is going to put the pattern in there that you want to look at and show what it's going to do as it burns in. So it puts it at the center location of what we've got. So we want to make sure it's low enough, meets all the spots that you've got on there. Framing is going to be complete, and now we're going to go ahead and start the burn and let it go. See how it's got all the dark color, looks like it's actually dark and laid. Take you a damp cloth. I use the tube of towels, just like the heavy duty wipe down towels, and what you're going to do is wipe off all the char that you did from your burning, Wipe it on there, dry it off, and there's your finished product. Stainless steel coming through, water bottle ready to go. Alrighty, enjoy.